Hey guys, what's going on? Ryan DePaul here. And first of all, let me thank you for tuning into my video and checking out this. If this is your first time here on my video or channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below, that big red button, yes. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and click on notifications, because anytime I put out any kind of content, and hopefully you're getting some kind of value from this one, you'll get a notification from YouTube to let you know, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video out. You might want to check it out. So with that, we're going to hop right into it. So today I'm reviewing the newest feature, and it's actually a pretty big feature. I know the CEO of the company is super excited about this feature. This is his favorite feature so far. It's with Royaltie, and we're reviewing the newest feature called social marketing. And I gotta say, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool on how it works and everything, and just with all this stuff. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. You'll probably hear some dings in the back, so I'm going to show you what it looks like on Facebook too. So this is right here. If Royaltie's back office, you'll see this new tab right here called social marketing. And if I click on it, I'm already actually on it right here. So this is it right here. I've created a few of them already. This is my most recent one that I created. It just launched on desktop. Today is the 9th of August. So it just launched on desktop today. And I'm bringing it to you first about this. So just looking at the back of it right here, this is how you create it. It's pretty simple to create too. You can attach landing pages, you can attach websites to it. So basically what it does is it takes like pictures and all that stuff. You post some pictures on Facebook, Twitter, social media platforms like that. And when you do that, people look at your picture. Sometimes they tap on it and open it up to look at it closer and look in detail. But here's the thing. Like you see how I put click here to see. So now not only, you can actually add text to it. I didn't do all that. But not only will it do all this, you can actually get data right here. So I connected a landing page to it, or a custom URL. There's so much you can do with it. You can customize the colors of the text, the overlay. Show you guys a little bit. See how it goes darker? I like it like this because I want my picture to pop. So I'm going to go back. Let's go. Don't save, because I want nothing to mess with that one. So this is the final project. This is what it looks like on Facebook. Okay, right here. This is my personal page. This is what it looks like right here. So I put text on top for the post, and I put this is my Saturday. And when I click on it, this is what happens. Takes you to here, loads up the website for you. Oh, okay, you see that, and then boom. So if you want to know, well, me and my wife are going to the Niners Cowboys game for preseason. So I'm super excited about that. Actually, we love doing it. We go every year for at least one game. But now I create a landing page in Royaltie for this, and I can actually, I'm giving something away for people being a part of this testing, because it was a testing module for me, and I'll see if this how this will respond. So this is a great way to capture leads. If you're in business, this is a great way to generate more eyes on your business. This is a great way to generate more things on events that you're doing. Let's imagine music events, concerts, cookouts, barbecues, parties, anything you're doing. The list goes on and on. And that's what's great about this, is that you can do so many things. The possibilities are amazing, and it's social marketing. So it's not like you're posting your business online. You're posting a picture that people click on and it takes them to your business, and I can capture this. So this right here is pretty cool. So that's their newest feature. It's nice. I mean, you have like the words right there. It's just, I like it. It's clean. It's easy. And let me go back here and show you guys a little bit. Just on the what is it? If I create a new, the pictures alone, I'll show you the pictures. Add an image. They have a whole list of pictures that you can actually use, and it's pretty cool. So colors and patterns. I'm going to do like funnies. They have all these. what is this one? 12 days without chocolate, lost hearing and left eye. That is pretty funny. Financial services, that's pretty cool. I mean, credit, so that'd be credit repair. Oh, let's go back to that one. Sorry about that, guys. Credit repair, things like that. It is amazing. I mean, everything that you want: technology, fitness, food, health and wellness, home services. They have preloaded pictures already, images in there for you to use. So you don't have to go search on Google. You can, but you don't have to. So the capabilities with this is endless, guys. And I'm going to be bringing you more on this. I just want to show you what it's not 100% released because they're working on the app next. But for desktop, it's ready to go. And as you see, I already used it. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to put it in the comments below. Also, contact me on my cell phone, 925-752-8897. That's my direct line. And also, it's in the description below as well. So with that, guys, I hope you got some value from this one. I hope you actually see the value of this, what it can do for you or your business or whatever you do, you're promoting. And with that, I'm going to check out, and you guys take it easy and be blessed. Take care.